Imagine a world where every individual, regardless of social or economic status, has access to quality healthcare. A world where the right to health isn't a privilege, but a basic human right. This was the vision of the late Nelson Mandela, a man whose name became synonymous with the fight for equality and justice. Born into a world divided by race and class, Nelson Mandela's early life in apartheid South Africa shaped his belief in the fundamental right to healthcare for all. His journey as an advocate for healthcare began with his of the stark healthcare disparities between different racial groups in his home country. Don't forget to subscribe to the SayPro channel for more content like this. In the mid-20th century, when Mandela joined the African National Congress, he brought with him a strong determination to address health inequities. During his time in prison, Mandela's advocacy did not wane. He used his platform to draw attention to the deplorable health conditions endured by prisoners, leading to significant improvements in prison healthcare systems. Don't forget to subscribe to the SayPro channel for more content like this. Once released from prison and elected as South Africa's first black president in 1994, Mandela made healthcare reform a priority. His government introduced free healthcare for children under the age of 6 and pregnant women, an initiative that drastically reduced child and maternal mortality rates. Mandela also recognized the devastating impact of HIV/AIDS on his country. In the late 90s, South Africa was in the throes of an HIV/AIDS epidemic, but the issue was largely ignored by the global community. Mandela, however, was not one to shy away from a challenge. He launched a national campaign to raise awareness about the disease, promote safe sex, and reduce the stigma associated with HIV/AIDS. Don't forget to subscribe to the SayPro channel for more enlightening content like this. In his post-presidential years, Mandela continued his advocacy through the Nelson Mandela Foundation. He launched the 46,664 Inches campaign, named after his prison number, to raise global awareness of HIV/AIDS. The campaign encouraged world leaders to increase funding for research, prevention, and treatment of the disease. Nelson Mandela's advocacy for healthcare was driven by his belief in equal rights for all. His efforts led to significant changes in healthcare policies, not only in South Africa, but also on a global scale. Don't forget to subscribe to the SayPro channel for more content like this. In summary, Nelson Mandela's advocacy for healthcare began with his early realization of healthcare disparities in apartheid South Africa. His time in prison further underscored the importance of health equity. As president, Mandela introduced healthcare reforms that benefited children and pregnant women and launched a national HIV/AIDS awareness campaign. Even after leaving office, he continued to champion healthcare causes through his foundation. Nelson Mandela once said, "Health cannot be of income. It is a fundamental human right." His life's work stands as a testament to this belief. His legacy not only reminds us of the power of one individual effect change, but also challenges us to continue the fight for universal healthcare. Nelson Mandela's vision of a world where healthcare is a basic human right is one we should all strive to realize. Don't forget to subscribe to the SayPro channel for more enlightening content like this.